Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this hoodie from the Apple store. This is official Apple branded hoodie. So it comes in this. All right, so it's the Apple Angled Spectrum logo hoodie. Size medium. Cool. And it's purchased in the Apple Visitor Center in Cupertino. You can only get this at the headquarters. Special headquarters store. Angled Spectrum hoodie, size medium. Cool. Has the logo here on the front. Long sleeve, black. Rainbow logo here. Here's the tag. Made in Vietnam. And then here's the back. Yep, so it is on the back. Here's the hoodie. Cool, let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.